Now I will show you how you will do your independent work. You will see a series of grids just like the one on the screen now, with an amount underneath it that you need to shade in. Now, unfortunately, Google Documents does not have a very good coloring function, so instead, the best option is for you to use the shape function. Now that's this icon here. Okay, now once you've seen it, take a look at how I do this. I click the shape button, I go to shapes, and I want this rectangle right here. That's going to be our best bet. Now we select a rectangle. If I want to color in 34 hundredths, I'll need to color in 3/10ths or 30 hundredths. So I could do it 1/10 at a time, like this. Now notice I have a rectangle. Now I want us to use the color coding because that's going to help us remember the difference between tenths and hundredths. So for this column, I want to fill it in orange, which means as it's highlighted, I can go up to this little paint bucket icon here, click on it, go to orange. Now I have 1/10 colored in. If I want to fit it better, I can, but it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Now I could either copy and paste this like I did before with Command C and then Command V, and then I could click Command V again, and that would give me 3/10ths to fill in. Or I could have gone up and done it again. Just make another shape like that and fill it in orange. Now I've done the 3/10ths or 30 hundredths, and I need 4 hundredths more to make it 34 hundredths in all. So to do my 4 hundredths, I want to use the color yellow. So again, I'll go back to my shape. I'll make a rectangle. And this time I'm just going to highlight 1, 2, 3, 4 little boxes because that would represent 4 hundredths. Go to my paint bucket to fill the color in. Click and move on down to this yellow color. And there it is. Now again, it doesn't have to be perfect, just so long as I know that you understand what we're doing. Don't spend too much time trying to make your rectangles perfect. It's okay if they're not. So here I've shown 34 hundredths, and that's all. And I would move to the next page, and I would do it all again. Go ahead and use the shape function, as I've shown you, on the rest of the problems to fill in the correct amount. Don't forget to use the color orange for your tenths and the color yellow for your hundredths.